polymer clay rose, we're going to be needing pink polymer clay, white polymer clay, green polymer clay, and a crafting knife. The first thing we're going to do is combine our white and pink polymer clay together. This will give you a light rose color. So now we're going to roll our ball of pink polymer clay into a large snake. And then we're going to cut it into little sections for the petals. And now we're going to form each of these sections into balls. Now I'm going to just group these into big balls and small balls, and we're going to press them down to create a circle. That you have extra, and shape it into a cone. And then set it aside. So now we're going to start making our leaves. So just take your green polymer clay and split it into 3 sections, and then form each of these sections into balls. And then flatten them down and shape them into leaves. Now with the pearl pen, we're going to draw in the veins on our leaves. Now we're going to take the circles we made earlier and attach them to the cone. So you want to take it and attach it to the bottom of the cone, and do not press the top. Continue to do this with all of your pieces. And you can overlap them to give them a more realistic look. We're going to connect our leaves, and you do this by just sticking them onto the bottom. Make sure to blend it on very nicely so that they won't fall off. And now your rose is completed.